Hi everyone, today I'm going to share with you guys 2 ways to clean and prep your catfish. If you use one of these 2 methods, I guarantee you that your catfish will no longer smell fishy. You can use catfish for various recipes, just like this one, which was made with red curry paste. I have made separate videos on these and they will be linked down below. This is the first method, and for both methods, we are using 400 grams of catfish. First and foremost, rinse your catfish, then place them into a large mixing bowl. Then add in 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour and 1 tablespoon of salt. Then gently combine these really well. You don't want to be rough on the fish. Take your time and make sure all of the surface is covered. You're going to combine for about 2 to 3 minutes. When that is done, you're then going to rinse this with water. We will be doing this several times. When that is done, we're then going to move on to the next step. Add in 2 tablespoons of vinegar and some water. You're gonna put in water just enough to cover the fish. Gently combine these really well. After you combine them, you're then going to leave it undisturbed for 3 to 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes, we're just going to combine them once again. After that, we're going to rinse them under running water. What causes catfish to smell fishy is actually their blood. So by doing this, we're getting rid of the source of the smell. And now for method number 2. We're first going to rinse them under running water. When you're done cleaning your fish, you're going to place them in a basket like this over a big bowl. Bring water to a boil and make sure it's rapidly boiling, and pour it all over the fish. By doing this, it will create a thin layer of film on the skin, and this film is what causes the fishiness. That is why we are then going to use our knife to scrape it off like this. Scrape the skin until it is all clean, and now your catfish is ready for cooking. If you have found this video helpful, let me know by giving it a like. While you're at it, you can check out this playlist of my videos on how to make useful ingredients such as palm sugar syrup, tamarind juice for cooking, Thai curry paste, and many more. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.